How to care for Hall's honeysuckle. The scientific name for Hall's honeysuckle is Lonicera japonica halliana. Hall's honeysuckles are known for their ability to grow quickly as well as for their fragrant yellow flowers and black berries. Many individuals find that Hall's honeysuckles make an excellent ground cover. If you live in USDA plant hardiness zones 4 through 9, you can grow and care for your own Hall's honeysuckles. Things you'll need: 10-10-10 fertilizer, organic mulch, pruning shears. Plant or move your Hall's honeysuckles into a location that receives full sun. A little afternoon shade is okay, but this vine enjoys full sunlight. Water your Hall's honeysuckle vine once per week if it doesn't receive 1 inch of rainfall. Hall's honeysuckles are drought tolerant, and therefore do not need any more than 1 inch of water each week. Feed your Hall's honeysuckles each spring after the first frost has passed. A 10-10-10 all-purpose fertilizer will do the trick. Spread a 2-inch layer of organic mulch around the base of your Hall's honeysuckle vine. This will protect the roots during the cold months, prevent weeds from growing, and help the soil retain moisture. Pine needles, raked leaves and even pieces of bark make good organic mulch. Prune your Hall's honeysuckle each winter when it goes dormant. Hall's honeysuckles will tolerate heavy pruning. This is your chance to cut away the crowded stems, suckers and some of the nodes.